like you to enjoy the rest of your
A chance to explore the future is waiting. Like an open wings, and off we go to the place we all belong. Where the one who lives here, you and me, is me, to believe. Like a shooting star within your heart, every dream, breaking free. It's a flame that you hold inside. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate when the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like
friends from near and far. It is now time for the magical Friendship Fair Grand Celebration. Now join us in welcoming back our new friends from the land of the bewitching bayous, Tiana, Naveen, and Louis. From the land of the enchanted woodlands,
Thank you, Minnie. I hope none of you ever lose sight of being your own person.
Even me?
Even you.
block you?
Olaf.
Yay! Let's go find more fun! This backbone. Look at all the people. Hello, people. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Hello. I like warm hugs.
Hi, Olaf. Olaf? Olaf, there you are. You were worried.
Why?
No, Olaf, you were.
But I'm right here with my new friends. This is... And you are...
Oh, I'm Mickey Mouse.
And this is... And you are...
I'm Minnie.
Good. This is Anna and Elsa. They're sisters.
Oh my, it's an honor to...
Way to go, buddy.
Now you want to spell it.
Come on.
What a nice group of ruffians!
And what a great bunch of dreams!
Oh goodness, Mickey, look at the time. We should begin the grand celebration.
Hang on a minute, Minnie. I've got a special surprise for you.
You do?
You see, I know there's someone you always wanted to meet from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Oh, Mickey, could it be?
Told you, can't take them anywhere.
Donald Duck, what have you done? After we met Rapunzel and Flynn, we agreed to invite them, not these ruffians.
Ruffians!
1 minute we were together, and the next I turned around and you were gone. What happened?
Hey, Daisy. I'm sorry.
You ruined everything.
I know these boys. They seem a bit rough around the edges, but they're not so bad.
Blondie's right. They grow on you after all.
The bee's knees.
Aw, say, who do you think Donald and Daisy brought?
Oh, I bet they're just delightful. Oh, my.
That's right, everybody. And now we to introduce our distinguished guests from the land of the enchanted woodland.
Distinguished guest.
From the land of the enchanted woodlands?
Hey, for us fishermen friends.
It's a pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
How you done? It's a pleasure. It's all mine.
How nice.
Out of my way. Fire. Stop.
I got you, buddy. With your lucky wild baby. Just like that snuggly duckling.
Who you calling a stunning duckling?
Well, I ain't got much to add to the party. Well, I'm not good at tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
But everyone's got something to add. A party's like a big...
Looks like everybody's ready.
Oh, Mickey, I just love the friendship fair. A day of joy and music and having fun together.
That's right. We traveled far and wide, inviting new friends to today's celebration.
It was a long journey.
We crossed rivers.
And great forests.
To bring all sorts of friends together in celebration of what makes this kingdom really unique.
Come on, everyone. It's time to officially kick off the magical friendship fair.
Let's go.
I can't wait. Today is going to be such a wonderful